Pete the cat too cool for school. Oh, Mommy, just to let you know, we can also write in this book. It says, can read this book.
Okay, so after you finish reading it, we can write your name. Because that means Gideon can read the book.
Pete the cat too cool for school. Pete wants to look cool. He asks everyone, what shall I wear? Should I wear? Wear your yellow shirts, his mom says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. Wear your red shirt, says Marty. Pete friends Marty says, it's my favorite. So Pete does. Wait. How does he put on both shirts?
I don't know. We'll have to see what happens.
Choose?
I don't know. We'll see what happens.
Wear your blue shirt, says Brother Bob says. It's my favorite. So Pete does. How could he wear 3 shirts in total? Okay.
No, that's correct.
Wear your long pants, Pete's teacher says. They are my favorites. So Pete does. He's wearing the blue shirt. I think he had to decide, like,
Maybe.
then next. Wear the shorts with the fish, Pete's friend Callie says. They are my favorite. So Pete does. Mommy, I actually want to play a game where I do, like, if there's a word called kryptonite word. I don't know what that is. I have to try to figure out what it is.
Okay.
Wear the polka dot sock. The bus. I don't know that word. So I'm gonna. I see the bus driver. So the bus driver says they are my favorites. Guess what powers I used?
Superpowers.
No, just guess.
Kryptonite.
No.
What?
There are many powers. There are partner power. There are pointer power.
Mm-hmm.
They are read power. They are picture power. And I think that's all I know.
So I think you used picture power that time.
Yep, and what's the other one?
Pointer power.
Yep.
Good job.
The bus driver says they are my favorites. So Pete does. Wear the tie with the stripes. Emily says it's my favorite. So Pete does.
Just be careful because it says it is, not it's.
It is my favorite.
Right. If you're going to point, make sure you're pointing and saying the correct words. Use those superpowers.
Wear your baseball hat, his coach says. It's my...
What?
It is by... I forgot what that was.
No, you didn't.
No, I just want to play
Okay,
the game.
use your powers. Well, what did that same word say on the other pages?
Okay, I think that is Wear your baseball hat, his coach says. It's my favorite.
Very good.
Okay, Mommy, it is my favorite.
Yes.
Okay, Mommy, what powers did I use?
I don't know. What power was that?
They are partner power, picture power,
And reading power.
no, it's reread power
Reread, that's a good one.
and pointer.
Okay.
Which one?
You did reread, pointer, and picture.
Yes. Mommy, I actually didn't use picture because I was just looking at it. There was nothing really to say.
Yes.
So I wasn't using picture power. So Pete does. Pete puts on all the coats,
Nope.
cloths,
Clothes.
Does he look cool? How would the only thing he had left is cowboy shoes
Does
And
he
the
look
tail.
cool? Does he look cool?
and a tail?
Yeah. Does he look cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does he look cool? No, Pete still looks silly. No, Pete looks silly.
Very good.
He also feels very hot.
I bet. He's got a lot of clothes on.
Oh. Pete got home and changed his clothes.
Pete what? Pete what?
Gone home,
Goes.
goes home to he changed his clothes. Pete puts on his favorite shirt. Pete puts on his favorite pants. I got it.
Sometimes if you lick your fingers, you can separate the hairs.
Pete puts on his favorite socks. Pete puts on his favorite shoes. Pete puts on his sunglasses. Pete says, now I am cool. If you want to be cool, just be you.
That's a good lesson, right? Great reading.